Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure your Apple ID is current and any family sharing issues are resolved. Once done, cancel or pause subscriptions and spend any remaining App Store credit so the balance is $0. Then add a valid US payment method or choose none if you plan to use US gift cards. Now open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases to begin the official country switch. This avoids errors and lost purchases. You proceed through the change. Tap View Account and choose Country/Region, then select United States. Read and accept the terms. This is required. Next, enter a US billing address and ZIP. Apple validates that info against the payment method. If you plan to use US gift cards, redeem them on your Apple ID before completing the change to avoid balance conflicts. Make sure to update device settings and re-download. Finish by signing back into the App Store and other services. Re-download apps and verify subscriptions and iCloud data. If Apple prevents the change, check for active subscriptions, leftover store credit, or family sharing ties. These commonly block country changes. One reliable fix is adding a valid US payment card or redeeming a US gift card to clear validation errors. If problems persist, sign out and reboot the device. Then retry the country/region change. Support chat can help if all.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.